find it. I don't know. I can't open it. Oh my goodness.
What is it?
See it?
Yeah.
It's mine.
Yay!
It's Darth Vader.
It matches Daddy's Mr. Potato Head.
Carmen, bring it over here.
You can't be. It's just fine.
Okay. Go put him next to. Go put him next to the other guy. Darth Vader for Mommy and Daddy.
Darth Vader Christmas.
Darth Vader for Grandma and Grandpa.
It's for me.
Yeah, that's yours.